This video is a challenge to Einsteinian physics. The orbiting clock problem. The blue clock orbits the red clock at velocity v and radius r. This experiment is a test of time dilation. Einstein's special relativity cannot solve it. The observation of time dilation is a function of a body's velocity through the observer's space. Any matter body may be the observer. It applies to all time-dependent processes, not just to clocks. At time t, after synchronization, the red clock observes the orbiting blue clock to read slow. This is caused by time dilation. This effect is observed in GPS satellite clocks by the Earth-based clock or observer. Einstein's theory of special relativity is the current accepted theory for predicting time dilation. But, according to its postulates, special relativity only operates between inertial bodies. This is a fatal flaw. As the orbiting clock is not inertial, special relativity cannot apply. However, modern physics knowingly and widely commits the scientific crime of misapplying special relativity to non-inertial bodies. So let us misapply special relativity to the orbiting clock experiment. Special relativity predicts that after a period, the red clock reads the blue clock to be slow. This is in agreement with observation. However, special relativity is totally incapable of predicting the reciprocal fast reading of the red clock by the blue clock. For these reasons, it must be concluded that special relativity is a failed theory. The twins paradox problem. The solution to the orbiting clock problem is more clearly seen in the famous twins paradox at the reversal of the travelling blue clock. The time of the static red clock is received by the blue clock by a light ray. The speed of that light relative to the blue clock is increased after its reversal by the velocity change towards the red clock. For this effect, space must be an ether. The light transit time is shorter from then on by the velocity change times the separation distance between the clocks at reversal. The effect is an earlier reading of the red clock, which calculates to give a fast reading of that clock, exactly twice the total time dilation effect over the whole journey. The net effect is a fast reading at reunion of the red clock, exactly equal to the slow reading of the blue clock by the red clock. Thus, the twins paradox is solved. In the orbiting clock experiment, the special observation effect is the orbital acceleration of the blue clock times the orbit radius r and the duration of the measurement. The fast observation effect is exactly twice the slow time dilation effect. Thus, over any measurement period t, the blue clock observes a net fast reading of the red clock exactly equal in magnitude to the slow reading by the red clock of the blue clock. Hence, the orbital clock problem is solved. Space is an ether. The true theory. The true theory is the Norgan ether theory of velocity effects. The ether theory intrinsically predicts the observer velocity change effect. The theory crucially does not require matter bodies to be inertial, unlike special relativity. The theory is available in PDF to suitable requesters. Modern physics defends a failed theory. For over a century, the physics establishment has supported and defended special relativity while fully aware that it cannot apply to any real matter body in the universe. During that time, it failed to discover the correct theory. Hence, many theories on important subjects, such as gravity and electromagnetism, etc., are wrongly determined, being based on Einstein's failed space-time. Much time, effort and public money has been wasted since 1905 on a known failed theory. Space as an ether substantially changes our understanding of gravity and the electric and magnetic forces. These changes are described in the books below.